Hello everyone, this is Lucy and today I will show you how to fix games not opening in full. So first you need to open your game. So as you can see, my game is not opening in its full screen. So in order to change its settings to full screen, you need to go to the game settings. So it might be different for various other games, but you will always see the full screen mode in your settings. So what else you can do is you can also change the settings from outside the game. So I have this game. You just need to right click on it and go to its properties. Here you will see compatibility. You just need to uncheck this option, disable full screen optimization, and click on apply, then okay. And these are some few easy steps to enable full screen while opening your game. Thank you guys for watching. For more tutorials, subscribe to this channel.